Hey there, Dr. Shelby here at Evolve Chiropractic in Woodstock. I'm going to be showing you how to use a foam roller in your quads. So if you ever notice any discomfort in your knee, or if you're like walking downstairs or downhill, that's probably coming from your quad. So your quad muscle goes all the way from up into your hip, down and around your knee. That actually holds your kneecap in place. So this is a very common area for people to have pain coming from tightness in the quad there. So what we're going to be able to use is a foam roller to get into that quad and kind of roll it out. Now, since the quad is a longer muscle, I'm going to be kind of splitting it up into parts. So I go from the middle up to my hip, and then from the bottom of the top of my knee up to the middle there. When we're doing the quad, I don't know if you know this, but your thigh is rounded, so is your quad. So in order to kind of hit the entire quad muscle, we're going to be doing 3 positions with our feet. We're going to be doing toes pointed down, toes pointing out, and toes pointing in. So I'll show you what that looks like. So you can do one quad versus both. I have a long enough foam roller here. I'm going to do both at the same time, but use whatever works best for you. So I'm going halfway up my quad here with the foam roller. I'm going to be going down onto my forearms here or into my elbows, and I'm going to be starting with my toes pointing down. I'm going to roll all the way up to my hips, down to that midway point, and we're going to be doing that for about 30 seconds. Then I'm going to point my toes out, kind of get that inner part of the quad there, and then I'm going to point my toes in and get the outer portion of the quad. And I'm doing that for about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to switch to the lower part of the quad, going all the way from the knees to about that halfway point. Again, toes pointing down, toes pointing out, and toes pointing in. Go ahead, try this for yourself.